I got totally wasted last night. God damn it. Hey, what's up, man? Party tonight? Well, I just got recently fired from my job, man, so I need something to celebrate about. Alright, see ya. Dude, I'm still freaking hungry. Enough to not even know. Ah! Ah! Where am I? Where am I? Oh my gosh. Hello?
Take it easy. You wouldn't want to hurt yourself. First, let me turn on the lights.
Ah!
Carter, all your life you have been an alcoholic going to endless parties. Now it's time to see if you really care about life, Carter. Now, I'd like to play a game, Carter. So let's begin. In front of you, by the door, is a box, and the box contains 500 pounds of C4, which will be detonated once the clock in front of you also reaches 6 o'clock. But the bomb could be deactivated by the computer and also another device. This will be pretty risky, because you would have to get past a gun with a laser pointer facing you. And if it hits you, the gun will go off. And if you get past it, C4 will be detonated. And also remember, X marks the spot. Also remember your numbers. Let the game begin.
Whatever, loser. I gotta get out of here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The computer. What's the password? No. Dang. Wait. Wait.
X marks the spot.
X marks the spot. Oh no. Password.
Remember the numbers.
The numbers. He said something about the numbers. 1, 2, 3. This better work. 4. Yes! Okay, I found out the password, but I don't know what to do anymore. Hello?
Congratulations, you have disabled the bomb. Unfortunately, look at the time. Didn't make it in time.
Wait, pick up, come on! No! No! No!
Greetings, Carter.
I'm gonna kill you!